This video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware that is called Inferno. So you will find out why exactly the ransomware is called like that and what exactly it does with your files after it modifies them. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any problems at all. Pictures, video files, Microsoft Office files, text files, and other data can be opened without any problems at all. However, there are cases when computers are vulnerable and not duly protected, so some ransomware type infections may attack them and start modifying the data on the hard drive. So sooner or later you may discover that some unusual extension has been added called avdn. And the ransomware then tells that you need to pay the special ransom to get your files restored and decrypted. On the other hand, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. Some people think that simply removing the avdn extension would help to restore the file, but you still cannot open these files even if you get rid of this avdn extension. The file is still unavailable and you cannot access it anymore. What you could do and what you should do if you have discovered any suspicious processes running in the background, typically the processes with very long random name, it's a good idea that you end these processes and these tasks to stop the further file encryption. Now, another step we recommend you to implement is to scan your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this Inferno ransomware, to remove it effectively and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. So download Combo Cleaner, update its antivirus database and start scanning the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.